Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have seen some examples regarding Nikhilam Sutra, which is very helpful in finding the squares. And now in this session we are going to see some more examples regarding the same Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares. So the example that I am going to take in this session is 98 square. So guys, in order to find the square of 98, we usually follow the following 4 steps. The step number 1, what we have to do here is we have to find the nearest base to the given number, that is 98, and the nearest base to the number 98 is 100. And proceeding to step number 2, now what we have to do here is we have to find how much that the number that is 98 is less than the base 100. So here if we observe very closely, here the number 98 is 2 less than the base 100. So therefore we have to decrease or subtract the number that is 2 from the given number 98. So by subtracting 98 minus 2, you will get 96. And now what we have to do here is by ignoring the zeros in the base, we have to multiply the difference what we have got, that is 96, with the number 1. So 96 into 1, you will get 96 as itself, and you have to take this as our left part of the answer. Now proceeding to step number 3. Now what we have to do here is we have to square the deficiency what we have got, and in this example the deficiency what we have got is 2, and therefore by squaring the number 2 we will get the answer as 4, and we have to take this as right part of the answer. And finally moving to step number 4. Now if you observe, the left part what we have got is 96 and the right part what we have got is 4, but here the right part has only one digit, but whereas the number of zeros in the base are 2. So therefore the number of zeros and the number of digits what we have got in the right part of the answer are not equal. So in order to make equal, now what I am going to do here is I am going to place a 0 in front of the right part of the answer, that is 4. And by placing the number 0 in front of the 4, that is 04, the number of digits in the right part of the answer will be equal to the number of zeros in the base. So therefore now by combining both the parts what we have got, we will get the final answer as 9604, and therefore we can say that 98 square is equals to 9604, 9604. So guys, this is the way how we can use Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares very easily. And now let us have one more example regarding the same Nikhilam Sutra in finding the square. The next example that I am going to show to you is 993 square. So guys, in order to find the square of the given 3-digit number, that is 993, we usually follow the following 4 steps. The step number 1, what we have to do here is we have to find the base, that is the nearest base to the given number 993, and the nearest base to the number 993 is 1000. And now moving further to step number 2, we have to check how much the given number is less than the base. So here the number 993 is 7 less than the base 1000. So we have to decrease the number 7 from the number 993. So therefore 993 minus 7 is equals to 986. And now what we have to do here is by ignoring the zeros from the base, we have to multiply the number 1 with the difference what we have got, that is 986. So therefore by multiplying 986 with 1, we will get the same answer, that is 986, and we have to take this as our left part of the answer. And now moving further to step number 3, what we have to do here is we have to take the deficiency what we have got and we have to square it. So the deficiency what we have got here is 7, and by squaring the number 7 we will get 49 as the answer, and we have to take this as right part of the answer. Finally moving to step number 4, if you observe the left part of the answer, what we have got here is 986, and the right part what we have got here is 49. Since 49 is a 2-digit number, we have to take 0 in front of 49, that is we have to write it as 049. You know why? Because here the number of digits in the right part of the answer are not equal to the number of zeros in the base. So in order to make the number of digits in the right part equal to the number of zeros in the base, I am going to place a 0 in front of the right part of the answer what I have got. So by placing 0 in front of the right part of the answer, that is 49, I am going to make equal to the number of zeros in the base. So now by combining both the parts what I have got, I am going to get the final answer as 986,049, and therefore we can say that 993 square is equals to 986,049. So guys, this is the way how we can use Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares. So I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Nikhilam Sutra, and I do hope that you do use this Nikhilam Sutra whenever it is necessary. So guys, for watching this video, thank you. Have a nice day.